Hello everybody, so today we are doing 1-4 graphing lesson check. So for this very first one, you should have gotten where it was a linear line. Let's just double check why that's true. So I'm going to go ahead and graph -2, -5. So I'm going over 2 to the left, down 5, -1, -3, so 1 to the left, down 3, 0, -1, so 0, down 1, 1, 1, so 1 to the right, up 1, and then 2 to the left, up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the reason why this is linear is because it makes a line, or you could say a straight line. It doesn't really matter either way. Okay, for the second one, you should have gotten it is a square root. Okay, the reason why -4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, 0. So I'm going to put a dot right there. Then I'm going to look at -3, up 1, so I have a dot right there, 0, up 1, 2, 5, so 5 to the right, up 1, 2, 3. If we were to look at this line, it looks like it starts right on the x-axis, so that tells me, okay, it's most likely going to be square root. This one could have been exponential, but I'm going to say it's square root. And the reason why is because it has a starting point. So it doesn't really go in both directions. It starts at a point and then it goes off forever on the other side. For the last one, we should have gotten this function is exponential. Okay, the reason why, let's go ahead and graph it. So we're going to -3, so 1, 2, 3 on the left, 0.03. So I'm just going to put a little dot just right above the 3. -1, so 1 to the left to 0.3, so just put it a little bit taller than the one that we put at -3. 0, 1, so 0 up to 1. And then 1 up, 1, 2, 3. So it should look like that. If I were to connect these together, it looks like it shoots up, right? So that tells me if it's going up, it kind of like almost makes an L shape. It's considered exponential. So because it makes an L shape. So as soon as you see an L shape, you know it has to be exponential. Luckily, we don't have the other 3 that we have to do, but we tried these ones out. Cool. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email.